Work it out. 5th class maths, week 29, Monday. This week I'll try and get through the videos a little quicker and just pick out the tricky sums. So we go through the tables. First one there is 9, 6, 8, 8 again, and I put a ring around this one. 54 divided by 6 is equal to 13 minus 4. We do the side we know. 13 minus 4 is 9. 54 divided by 6 is 9. Put a ring around, I have a ring around this one. True or false? 3/5 is less than 50%. Okay, let's go and do that one. 3/5. We need to express 3/5 as a percentage. 3/5 is equal to 6/10. They are equivalent. 6/10 is equal to 0.6. 0.6 is equal to 60%, and 60% is greater than 50%. And that is false. 2,150 grams is equal to 2.15 grams. Here I put a ring around number 9. 5 times D equals 80. Then D is equal to 16. How did I come to that? 5 times D is equal to 80. Okay, excuse my 8. Right, D multiplied by D. If I have a multiply 5 times D over here, I'm going to divide this side by 5. If I divide this side by 5, they will cancel, so I'm going to divide this side by 5. 5 into 8 goes in once, carrying the 3. 5 into 30 goes in 6 times. So some number by the same number again is equal to 8, and we know 4 times 4 is equal to 16. 16. So D is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. This is a good one here. A table and 3 chairs cost €400. If the table cost 5 times that of a chair, how much was the chair? Now that is a tricky sum. Let's read it one more time. A table and 3 chairs cost €400. So let's see, can I draw a little bit? We take down this important information. A table and 3 chairs. There's my chair. 3 chairs is equal to €400. Now, if a table costs 5 times that of a chair, so this table is the same as 5 chairs. It's 5 times the price. 5 chairs, and we have 3 chairs here. So we have 5 chairs and 3 chairs, which makes a total of 8 chairs. And 8 chairs cost €400. So we can find 1 chair by dividing 8 into €400. 8 into €400 goes in 50 times. And that's where I got the 50. Number 11, another ring around it. What is the date of the 3rd Tuesday in May if May the 1st is a Saturday? Okay, and I said the 18th. So May the 1st is a Saturday. Then we have Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Okay, so we've got the 2nd is Sunday, the 3rd is Monday, and the 4th is Tuesday. The 1st Tuesday in May. The 2nd Tuesday in May will add on 7 to that, is the 11th. And then the 3rd Tuesday in May is the 18th. Decrease 0.75 by 125 milliliters. Okay. Have number 18 or number 13. Let's have a look at it. It is 2/5 take away 0.25. Here I have fractions, here I have decimals. Let's change this decimal to a fraction. 0.25 is a quarter. So I have 2/5 take away 1/4. Can't take fifths and quarter away, need to change them to equivalent fractions. I'm going to change them to 20ths, take them away as 20ths, and get my answer in 20ths. 5 into 20 goes in 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. That means that 2/5 is equivalent to 8 20ths. 4 into 20 goes in 5 times. 5 times the numerator of 1 is 5. 8 20ths take away 5 20ths is 3 20ths. So my answer there is 3 20ths, and 3 20ths is the same as 0.15. A worker earns $9.50 an hour. How much does she earn in 3 hours? It's 3 times that value. 8.1 divided by 0.9, multiply both sides by 10, so that's 81 divided by 9, which is 9. Number 16, last one I've got a ring around. In a 30% sale, a jumper sold for €21. What was the pre-sale price? Okay, so let's read that one more time. In a sale, in a 30% off sale, a jumper sold for €21. So the jumper has already had the discount taken off. So it's selling for €21. Now, if it had a discounted 30%, it's selling at 70% of its price. So 70% is equal to that €21. Now we want to find out what it was, or 100% what it was before the sale price was added on. We can find 1% by dividing 21 divided by 70. And to find 100% of the 1%, so it's 21, 21 divided by 70 multiplied by 100 over 1. 10 into 70 goes in 7 times, 10 into the top 100 goes in 10 times. I'm cross cancelling here. 7 into 7 goes in once, 7 into 21 goes in 3 times. 3 tens is 30. So before they knocked the 30% off, the jumper was selling for €30. And there are the rest of the sums. Number sentence, 36 divided by 6 is 6. 6 is greater than 5. How many degrees is angle A? We sum up 60 and 70, which is 130. 130 and 50 makes 180. And 2/3 of 6.6. Well, 3 into 6.6 is 2.2. Multiplied by 2 is 4.2. And what fraction is not shaded? Well, there are 10 sections. 5 of them aren't shaded. That's 5 over 10. And 5 over 10 as an equivalent fraction is a half. And that is Monday.